Hello guys, it's Michael0678 and like you see, today I'm going to show you how to stop / fix Vegas Pro lags and crashes. So yeah, this will work for every Vegas, so follow these steps and you will not have lags / crashes anymore. And yeah, this also worked for me. I had crashes and things like that, and it was so annoying because I made some big videos and when it crashed and I didn't remember to save it, it's all gone and I have to restart the whole thing again. So yeah, now first thing what I want to show you is to go to options and preferences. Then go to video, and here's two things to do. First, this is normally on this GPU acceleration of video processing is normally on Nvidia or your own graphics card, so make sure to put this off. This is one of the things which will help. And second one is to this dynamic RAM preview is normally at 200, so make sure to put that also 0 / off. Then click apply. Those are the first two things to do if you want to fix those crashes. Next, go to options, press shift and click preferences. Now you will see internal right corner. Click there and write down enable Multicore, and this is normally on, so or true, so make sure to write false and then click OK. Next, go again to options and click again shift and preferences. Then go to again internal and this time write enable SO4. And this is also normally true, so make sure to write false again and then click OK. The last thing what to do is to disable one of the cores which you use in Vegas Pro. So go to click here, right click Taskbar, click Task Manager, go to details and then find Vegas. I have Vegas Pro 16, so I find that. But you could also have like 14, 15, 16, 13, 12. So yeah, then right click and click set affinity. Then it's normally use all of these like I have. So make sure to click one off and then click OK. And yeah, those were all the things which normally will make your Vegas Pro lagging or freezing or just crash it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you, and if you have other things which need help or things you want to tell or something like that, write them in the comments, and if this helped you, leave a like, and it was nice to help you again. So yeah, have a nice day, and yeah, have a great day all, and bye bye.
For my city, I'm the realest one that's reppin'. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always reppin'. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.